Jeff Channers, how's it going today? This was definitely the calm before the storm. I was in the Indian village here at the Calgary Stampede just yesterday, and in southern Alberta, there appeared to be a big windstorm. Now, the storm hit quite severely.
Oh my god! Jeff Channers, we don't know what's going on right now. There's a big storm here.
It knocked over a few trees and forced the temporary shutdown of several attractions at the Calgary Stampede.
Do you guys need some help? Yes. Put the art away first, yeah.
Environment Canada said wind gusts reached up to 100 kilometers in an hour in the region of southern Alberta. As severe thunderstorms in Alberta brought a windstorm to Calgary. Several rides at the Calgary Stampede had to be temporarily halt operation for safety. Now, I was actually here and I'm actually helping these small businesses with the disaster that happened. The windstorm hit instantaneously and I was actually just there looking around. Now, the spotlight is actually shining at how resilient all these business owners are. This umbrella that I'm holding on to actually flew away. It was so windy, it was so chaotic. I did not expect this to happen. In fact, a lot of the tipis that you saw earlier in the clip were completely blown over. A lot of confusion and a lot of chaos temporarily hit everybody at the same time. So what we're seeing here is just people reacting to the environment around them.
Everything is under control right now. We don't know what's happening. You guys are watching this live right now on Jeff's channel.
Jeff Channers, all you're seeing now is just me helping the local businesses fix and repair all the different things that were damaged. They scampered and they all kind of dispersed as the winds picked up.
I just found this.
It was a bit concerning for me.
Okay, yeah, it just blew over into the water almost. Okay, so no problem. Jeff Channers, that happened so quick. The wind just blew and everything is just kind of flying around. There's even this right here. The teepee just kind of ripped off. These flags are just everywhere. This teepee right over here is now just completely ripped open. Jeff Channers, this happened here at the first Calgary. So this teepee is completely blown open. The wind has just been really severe right now.
Jeff Channers, thanks for watching. I wanted to share this with you because this was something that happened to me at the Calgary Stampede and it was a bit shocking.